In a world driven by artificial intelligence, the race to smarter, more efficient businesses is on. Imagine standing at the vanguard of this revolution, not merely an observer, but a key player reaping significant benefits. Today, we delve into the top 10 ways you can monetize by selling generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, to companies. From custom solutions to innovative partnerships, we'll reveal how you can turn this technological advancement into a digital goldmine. So, let's decode this digital goldmine together. Firstly, offering tailor-made GPT applications for businesses can be a profitable venture. Imagine creating a chatbot that not only answers customer queries, but does so with the brand's unique voice and tone. Or consider a personalized marketing content generator that produces engaging copy, perfectly aligned with a company's branding strategy. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but a bespoke service designed to meet the specific needs of each business. By offering these custom GPT solutions, you're not just selling a product, you're providing an invaluable tool that can streamline operations, enhance customer interactions, and ultimately drive revenue growth. Custom solutions provide businesses with a unique tool tailored to their needs. Secondly, providing comprehensive training packages for companies integrating GPTs can be a revenue stream. But what exactly does this entail? Well, it's all about enabling employees to utilize GPTs effectively. It's not enough to simply introduce a new tool. You need to ensure that everyone knows how to use it to its full potential. This could take the form of seminars and webinars, where participants can learn in a group setting. Alternatively, you might offer online courses that employees can complete at their own pace. These training services can be tailored to the specific needs of each company, ensuring a smooth transition and ongoing success with GPTs. Training services ensure that companies can make the most of their new GPT tools. Thirdly, specializing in integrating GPT technology with existing company systems is another way to profit. Imagine a company has already invested in technology infrastructure. Rather than replacing what's there, you can offer your expertise to weave GPT capabilities into their existing setup. It's like a tech makeover, adding in a layer of artificial intelligence to their current processes. For example, a company might have a manual system for handling customer queries. You could integrate a GPT-driven chatbot to automate responses, saving time and resources. Or perhaps a business uses traditional methods for content creation. Introducing a GPT could automate and personalize their content generation. Integration consulting helps businesses seamlessly adopt GPT technology. Fourthly, offering GPT services on a subscription basis can be a lucrative business model. Imagine a monthly or annual subscription that gives companies access to GPT-driven analytics or content creation tools. These tools could help businesses decipher large volumes of data or create targeted content, respectively, with minimal human intervention. For instance, a marketing firm could use a GPT-based content creator to generate personalized email campaigns, saving time and resources. Similarly, a retail company might benefit from GPT-driven analytics to understand customer behavior and optimize their sales strategy. This model provides a steady and predictable revenue stream for you, while companies get to leverage advanced AI technology without a significant upfront investment. Subscription models provide businesses with regular access to GPT-driven tools. Fifthly, building and selling custom GPTs designed for specific industry needs is another profitable strategy. This approach involves developing tailored GPT models that cater to the unique demands of different sectors. Imagine creating a GPT that's a whiz at legal jargon, perfect for law firms needing to sift through mountains of case files in no time. Or how about a GPT that's a pro at medical research, assisting healthcare providers in making sense of complex data? The possibilities are endless. By offering a specialized AI solution, you're not just selling a product, you're providing a tool that can revolutionize the way they operate. Custom GPT development offers businesses a tool specifically designed for their industry. Sixthly, providing services to optimize and enhance existing GPT implementations can be a source of income. Performance optimization is a crucial aspect of any technological implementation, and generative pre-trained transformers are no exception. Businesses that have adopted GPT solutions may not be utilizing their full potential. That's where you come in. By offering services that fine-tune the GPT outputs, you can help businesses achieve more accurate, relevant, and efficient results. This could involve tweaking algorithms, adjusting parameters, or even training the model on additional data. Think of it as a tune-up for your car, but for artificial intelligence. By ensuring that businesses are getting the best results from their GPT tools, you're not just enhancing their operations, but also carving out a profitable niche for yourself. Seventhly, creating and licensing proprietary GPT models to larger corporations can be very profitable. Licensing agreements are contracts where you, the licensor, grant permission to a licensee to use your GPT model. This could be for a specific project, within a certain industry, or for a particular geographic region. For example, imagine developing a GPT model that excels in analyzing financial markets. You could license this model to a large banking corporation, providing them exclusive access to your technology. This not only creates a steady stream of income, but also sets you apart in the market. Licensing agreements allow businesses to use your proprietary GPT models exclusively. It's like having your cake and getting paid to eat it too. Eighthly, offering ongoing support and maintenance for GPT systems can generate steady revenue. In the fast-paced, ever-evolving world of technology, businesses need to keep their GPT systems up to date and functioning flawlessly. That's where support and maintenance services come in. These services could include regular software updates to ensure compatibility with the latest technologies, troubleshooting to resolve any issues that arise, and performance monitoring to optimize the system's efficiency. For instance, a company could offer a support package that includes quarterly software updates, 24/7 troubleshooting, and monthly performance reports. By doing so, they not only ensure their clients' GPT systems are running at peak performance, but also create a consistent income stream. Support and maintenance services keep businesses' GPT systems running smoothly. Ninthly, helping businesses monetize the data generated through GPT interactions can be a profitable service. In the modern world, data is a currency. Every interaction with a GPT tool generates valuable data that can be analyzed and monetized. For instance, a chatbot could collect data on customer preferences and behaviors, which can then be used to tailor marketing strategies or develop new products. Similarly, a GPT-driven content creation tool could provide insights into trending topics or popular keywords, helping businesses stay ahead of the curve. By offering data analysis and monetization services, you can help businesses unlock the full potential of their GPT tools. Data monetization helps businesses leverage the data generated by their GPT tools. Tenthly, forging partnerships with tech and industry leaders to expand market reach can be a game changer. Let's delve into this. Innovative partnerships can take many forms. You could collaborate with tech giants, utilizing their vast user base and resources to bring your GPT solutions to a wider audience. Or, consider partnering with industry-specific companies, integrating your GPTs into their services for mutual growth. For instance, a partnership with a healthcare provider could see your GPT being used to streamline medical research, while a collaboration with a law firm could lead to a GPT specialized in legal jargon. The possibilities are endless. Remember, innovative partnerships can help you reach more customers and grow your business. With these strategies, you're not just selling a product, you're offering a futuristic solution. You're providing a bridge to the AI revolution, paving the way for smarter, more efficient businesses. From custom solutions and training services to innovative partnerships, these are not just ways to profit, they are ways to shape the future. So dive in, explore, and pioneer. Remember, in the world of technology, today's innovation is tomorrow's fortune. Start exploring these avenues and let us know your journey.